Use a fairly steep angle to clearly define the fishtail bid while preventing burrs. Hi, I'm Greg from Digital Stone Setting. I'd like to show you one step of the Imperial Fishtail ring project today. Start with the shallow angles and gradually increase it until you reach about 50 or 60 degrees. Use the center of the castle and the angle of the future fishtail bids as your reference. Your cut should always stay perfectly centered within the triangle. And don't hesitate to work in batches. Once you've found the correct grabber position, complete all the cuts on the same side before moving to the next one. Then move on to the other side. So I repeat again, gradually increase your cutting angle, otherwise you'll have to remove too much material at once. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you would like to see the complete project from start to finish, you'll find the full Imperial Fishtail ring course in the description below. I'll see you inside the full course. Bye.